As the sun shines in all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to Locs Lux Lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So today I am here with a head wrap video for longer locks. I do have a few other head wrap videos when I had my starter locks, when I had shorter locks, so I will link those down below as well for you guys to check out if you have shorter locks. But here go the head wraps that I'm pretty much going to be using today. I ordered these from Amazon, and as far as my hair, I have already hydrated it and moisturized it and did my edges off camera. So let's get into these styles. I don't have the measurements for these head wraps, but I do like using big head wraps just because I feel like you get a lot to work with. So for this first style, I'm going to start by folding it in half horizontally, and then I'm just going to wrap that around the back and tie it, and that is pretty much the first look. So yeah, I think this is a really cute look, just very simple. I really like to do this style with satin hair wraps, which I will show you guys later on in this video, but you can just wear it like this, pull a piece around in the front, and super cute and effortless. For this next style, I'm just going to take those loose ends and I'm going to twist them and wrap them around the front of my head, and then the loose end I just tuck underneath in the back. So I just did the first side, and then after that I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the other loose piece. Twist it, wrap it around, and tuck it in the back. For this next look, I'm going to unfold the scarf, and instead of wrapping it from the front to the back, I'm going to wrap it from the back to the front, and then I'm going to take those two pieces and twist them together, and I'm just going to keep twisting and keep twisting and keep twisting, and then I'm going to roll it into like a circle, a knot, a ball, whatever you want to call it, at the top of my head. And then I'm just going to again tuck the loose piece underneath. You can also secure it with like a rubber band, but normally if you tuck it good enough, you should be good. This next look is kind of a variation of the previous one, so I'm going to start the same way, pushing the wrap from the back to the front. I'm going to twist it twice, but instead of continuing to twist it, I'm just going to wrap the fabric back and forth and just tuck it, and it kind of gives you like that turban look. And yeah, this one wasn't done like to perfection. Like obviously if I was wearing this one out, I would have had it a little neat. I felt like I could have scooted it down a little bit. It was a little too, like, I don't know, far back or something, but you get the drift for this next look. And for this next style, I'm going to use one of my satin head scarves. I think I got this one from a wig company, but you can find scarves like this at like your beauty supply. And I'm going to start by like folding it triangular, but I'm going to leave a little slack so that I get more length. And then I'm going to bring it around the front and take those two ends and tie them in a knot. And when you're working with satin head scarves, I definitely recommend double knotting them just because they're super slippery and prone to sliding. You can also kind of bobby pin them if you need to, but this seemed to do. And yes, this was really cute. I love wearing this type of look, especially in the summertime. I think this look would be cute with all white or a cute bathing suit. So yeah. Moving right along, I'm gonna start by pulling my hair up into a ponytail, and I'm just gonna use just like a scrunchie to secure that. I had these two pieces hanging out in the front, but I ended up pulling them back for this look. So I'm gonna go in again with a scarf, and I folded this one in half again, and I'm gonna go from the back to the front, but I'm gonna make sure that I keep my ponytail out so that it kind of falls over. And there you see me putting up those two pieces in the front. But then I'm just gonna cross those two pieces, twist them, or you can tie them. Honestly, I kind of do my wraps a little different every time, but yeah, I'm twisting them right here, and then I'm gonna wrap them to the back, and then I'm gonna tie it in the back. You can tie it in the back or the front. And then I'm just going to tuck those loose ends, and that's pretty much it for this look. This next look is a variation of one of my faves. So I'm going to start by putting my hair in a bun, and then I pulled those two pieces back out in the front, and I opened up that head wrap, and I'm going to start wrapping it from the back to the front. And I'm going to twist it a little bit, and then I'm just going to kind of wrap those loose ends back and forth and then tuck them. And I have done this look before here on my channel when I had my starter locks. And this is like one of my favorite ways to wrap my hair. And although this video is titled for longer locks, you can do these styles with shorter locks, you guys. Like I said, this was my fave to wear when I had shorter locks. I do like that I don't have to like put fake hair down at the top to kind of fill it out. Like my loc extensions kind of fill it out on its own, so I don't have to do that. And it makes it a little easier and faster. But if you have shorter locks, you could just go ahead and put like some braiding hair, a puff. There are so many things that you can use to put at the top of your head to fill it out. But yeah, this is that look, and I think it's really cute with the pieces hanging out, or if you want to just put all of your hair up. Then the last style is just a variation of the one we just did. However, I'm going to do a swoop bang. So I'm going to start by pulling some hair out in the front for my swoop, and I just braided that to keep it out the way. And then I'm going to put the rest of my hair in a bun like so. And then I'm going to take down that hair in the front, and I'm just going to create me a swoop, and I'm just going to bring it around my ear and then tuck it or pin it in the back. I didn't have a bobby pin on hand, so I ended up just using like one of these little clips. It honestly doesn't matter, because once you put the wrap on, you won't be able to see anything. And then I'm just going to repeat that same process. So from the back to the front, and twist it, and then wrap the loose pieces. And I say this in all of my head wrap videos. Honestly, whenever I try to recreate a head wrap style, a little bit always changes. Like I feel like I can never get it exactly the same way, but in the end, as long as you kind of have the bases, it always turns out cute. So sometimes I tie it in the front, sometimes I tie it in the back, sometimes I twist 3 times, sometimes I maybe only twist once or twice. Like, it'll change and it'll vary, but in the end, it always comes out looking good. So I'm just finished this one off, and that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.